this, you crazy mother.
What's going on, everybody? It's your boy Bueno here, back again with another video. Today we're going to be looking at a aftermarket part that is very sought after for the KTM EXC-Fs. As you all know, the factory seat is a little rough. It's somewhat soft when you break it in, but after a while it does get uncomfortable for those long rides on and off road. So I'm gonna butcher the name, got a Acerbis, I'm gonna go with that, Acerbis X Seat Soft Edition. So here's what they look like side by side. Not much of a difference in size. Obviously you can tell color's a little bit different. Obviously when you look at, this is all ribbed. This also has this little channel for your tailbone to sit in, as to the seat doesn't. So for those longer rides on the trail or on the road, you know, your back gets to sit in, your tailbone gets to sit in there, so it's more comfortable and everything like that. Obviously there's some grip on the back side, so if you're doing wheelies or if you're doing a hard pull going up a hill or just ripping, it's gonna catch you. And obviously just a little bit more of a grip up here. So we're gonna install this on the bike, and then we're gonna do our legit first impression ride with this seat, and you know, talk about how it is and how comfortable it is compared to the factory seat right here. So let's get into it. All right guys, we're out by the bike. All you need to install the new seat is a T30 star drill bit, which will get this huge bolt out from underneath the seat, and then you can then pull the seat off, slide it back, bolt it in, and then it's in. Super easy install. So I'm gonna flip it around and show you guys real quick. Boom, there you go. It's that easy. One little bolt right there, unscrew it. Obviously there's some hooks that you just slide it in, press it down, bolt it in, and it's on. And I'm not even gonna sit on the bike yet. I'm literally gonna go upstairs, get my helmet, sit on the bike, and we'll go from there. So we'll be right back. All right guys, here we go. First reaction to sitting on the Acerbis CX Soft, orange on black. Haven't sat on it since I installed it on the bike, and here it goes, the first ever sit. Oh yeah, I'm not gonna lie, a little stiff in the back, but we'll see how she goes. That's awkward. Overall, it is stiffer than the factory seat, but it also has been broken in. You know, I've driven 290 miles on this bike on the factory seat, so over time I can see this becoming softer and broken in. I'm not even moving on the seat though. I do feel a lot more secure on the seat and on the bike. Like when I just pulled that second gear wheelie right there, I did not even slide back. And normally I would slide back on the factory seat. I actually do slide quite a bit. And the fact that I just didn't do that is actually pretty nice. And I like how there's texture right here for my legs to grab a little bit. So we're gonna do a little ride here. We're gonna go all the way down to my dad's house. I gotta pick up a check. Gotta get paid, you know, because I work a job. I get paid for that job, and then I use that money to buy childish things like this. So yeah, that's what we're doing. We're gonna test this seat out all the way down there. Probably a 4-mile ride, if that. Probably do some wheelies and some dumb shit, but we're gonna test this bike out as Okay. Okay. Also, since I did 275, 290 miles, I did do the break-in period oil change. Now I just got to go get an air filter, because the one that I bought originally when I first got the bike, it was the wrong one. So I picked out the wrong one, so now I got to go back to the store and get the correct one so I can change the air filter, because it is kind of dirty, but it's not that bad to be riding a little bit. So just want this light to turn green. There we go. Oh, Nelly! Woo! God damn! $85 on this bad boy. I think that's the fastest I've ever gone on this bike, to be honest with you. That bike was cooking. Felt good, seat felt good. I'm gonna do some fuck shit right here if I can get over. Hope no one hates me. Oh, I love doing that shit. Wow! Absolutely. I love it to death. I do that pretty much every time I drive down that road. That little road right there, I always hop the curb and jump down, because why not? I don't know. I just think it's fun. And I'm on a dirt bike, so it's like whatever. If I was on a street bike, Jesus Christ, I probably would have flipped over and died. Gotta go get your Starbucks, don't you there? Are they going to Starbucks? Yes, they are. Love it. Your mid-afternoon, you know, early evening Starbucks. See if I can do a fourth gear. Never mind, we'll just go fast. But all in all, the seat is actually really comfortable. Like where I'm sitting kind of like upper part of the seat, not packed to where the rivets are, so that you don't slide back. And I'm not gonna lie, very comfortable. Obviously, you still got to break the seat in. It's the first time sitting on it. First 2 miles of the seat's life have been, you know, used right now. So I guarantee you, over time, the seat will become very comfortable. And on a scale of 1 to soft, in the aspect of how soft this seat really is, I would say it's on a scale of 1 to 10, I'd give it a solid 7. It's not the softest, like a cushion, but it's also not the hardest, like a fucking rock, to where you feel like it's just like you're sitting on a piece of wood. Come on, lady, here we go. So over time, definitely gonna get softer. I can already tell, like pushing my thumb, I mean, that's pretty soft compared to the factory seat. Why did I pick this seat over like getting a seat cover? Because like reading forums and seeing how people like install seat covers, like you take the old seat off, then you take the black part that covers the cushion on the seat, and then you take the new one and then you staple it on the bottom. And they said it can move, it can shift, it can get ruined, water can get under it, and this one literally comes all in one. Here's the seat, here's the plastic part, take the seat off, put the seat on, screw it in, and you're done. Not a hassle at all. It literally took me, what, 30 seconds to do it in this video. So, I mean, you can't go wrong. Sure, I mean, I'm not gonna lie, I was on, how many? I went on
motorsport.com, Revzilla. I even went to the actual website of this company, and I asked to be put on every single newsletter. Excuse me, every single newsletter to when this seat becomes available, because it was literally sold out in every store that I went on. So finally was on just a random site, like one that you really wouldn't go to and buy parts, and it literally had it orange on black, for sale, soft. I was like, bought it instantly, had to do it, because I waited like 2-3 months to do it. So, and it finally came up for sale and I bought it. So that was my uncle, just got off work. What's up, Uncle Rye? So I'm gonna do a wheelie here around this corner. I'm feeling a wheelie. 3rd gear maybe. Jeez, every fucking light is just oh my goodness. I am sweating. So yeah. Oh no, happy I purchased this seat. Gives a new look to it too. It's not a black seat, it's an orange seat, which is pretty dope. A lot of people try to get the black with the orange plastic on the bottom. So, I mean, honestly, it was the only one available in the actual soft one. Otherwise, it was just standard. So, I went with orange because I wanted it that bad. I did want the black one, but the orange does give it a good look. So, I am happy that I went with the orange one. And it's KTM, so, you know, orange just looks good on everything. Here we go. Come on. There we go. Come on, Prius. You mean you had all that time to get over? Jesus, Mary and Fred. I get some bad road rage, guys. I'm not even gonna lie to you. Like, I can just get infuriated when it comes to people on the road, especially if they're just acting stupid. Like, you know, I'm just trying to get somewhere, just trying to do some stuff, and you're just taking forever. So, yeah, this is a great time. I bet this content is going to blow up on the internet. There you go. Go a little bit faster. That's what I need. I want to pass, but it's a double yellow and I'm recording myself. It probably wouldn't be the right thing to do. Oh my goodness gracious, I'm freaking gonna kill myself. This is so much fun. So yeah, guys, I mean, sorry I haven't been uploading lately. I literally have made a list of videos I need to make. I've just been trying to complete a course to become a mortgage loan originator, so I was really focused on that, and obviously work was kind of busy, so just trying to get that done, get that, you know, course completed before I can go and take my exam to get my license. So that's why I haven't really been uploading. You know, a little change of career, probably you know, a little second income is what I'm trying to do with that stuff, and also get into the real estate game, and that's one way to do it. And that stuff really wasn't, you know, was really interesting to me. So that's why I became, you know, a mortgage loan originator and not a real estate agent. All right, here we go. Ready? Just kidding. Maybe not. This truck keeps following me. Oh, I can't get it up. Oh, another thing that I love about this bike is, like, it's a dirt bike, obviously. I've been riding these for a long, long time. But, like, dude, taking corners and shit is just so much more fun. Especially at the rate of speed I can do it, because I do put my leg down. Like, I feel like I'm at the track or something like that, or in the trails. You know, on a street bike, you're kind of like crunched together, you're leaning, and you got to really trust those tires, because if those tires aren't warm enough and they're not sticky and you go under, the tires are going to come out from under you and you're just fucking absolutely just road rash for days. So, not fun. Obviously, these tires aren't the best tires for the road. I mean, they're hybrid tires, but they still grip pretty well. And you can honestly feel when the bike's gonna like kind of lose out. So, here we go. Come on, Kia. Give it the beans. Give it the fucking beans, bud. Woo! Hopefully he goes left. I want you to go left. Go left. Go left. Go left. I gotta go right. I want you to go left. You go right. No, wait. You go left. I go right. And you're going right. Okay. It's like right here, dude. Just absolutely cruising. Drag the old foot, call it a day. Come on. Here we go. Skirt. Jesus, do you live all the way back here? Like, are you gonna give me any time? Da, 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 da. This is so fucking fun. I'm having a blast. Oh my god, I'm having a blast. Oh. Around the corner. Well guys, that last part wasn't that exciting. Great seat. I highly fucking recommend this this seat, honestly. Like, this thing is super comfortable. It has all these things that help you as a rider when you're riding and doing all these certain things, especially trail riding. You know, going over bumps, you can grip the seat. The back part won't let you slip off because of the ridges in the back. The tailbone part, where your tailbone sits in the middle of the seat and it's got that channel for it to sit, like, it's getting more and more comfortable as I sit on this seat. So I highly recommend getting this seat. It was about $135, maybe $140 with shipping. I highly recommend it. It'll be a great aftermarket seat for whatever you need to do with this bike, whether it's off-road, on-road, supermoto, whole 9 yards. This thing is going to be the seat that you want. So, you know, I'll link a description to the website, to all the websites to where you can buy this seat, and you guys can go out and get it yourself if you want, if this review was good. As always, guys, this is your boy Bueno. Peace out, and remember, life moves fast, and enjoy the ride.